Hey everybody, Pat Muller with Legend Brands. Really excited to introduce to all of you a brand new product that we're bringing out to the market today. The Legend Brands Professional Spot and Stain Removal Kit. Now, there are a lot of great carpet cleaners out there on the market today, but the one thing that makes you the expert is your ability to remove spots and stains. Now, we all know that a customer calls you not necessarily because the carpets are looking dirty, but there's one or two or maybe even 3 or 4 spots and stains that they just can't get out. So your ability to go out and be the professional spot and stain remover sets you apart from all the other cleaners on the market today. So we're excited to bring you a new spotting kit that basically has 7 products in it. The 7 most stubborn stains that you would deal with on a daily basis. It comes in quarts. That allows you to do a lot of different spots and stains without having to replace your smaller bottles. 7 products in a real nice insulated bag. So check out our new products. We have a lot of great videos on our YouTube channel. Be that professional spot and stain expert. Thanks for coming around.